Okay, here we are in Paris. Once again, we are in Paris, Disneyland Paris. Today we're going to be riding the Pirates of the Caribbean. This is, it looks like a really good version of the Pirates of the Caribbean. Seems like it has some aspects that we find in Disneyland California and some in Disney World. Disney World being that it has this, it looks like this fairly extensive, detailed queue, different than the Disneyland, Disney World version, obviously, but it looks like there's a lot of detail in here. You're going down again into this kind of fort with a lot of these props and these cool, like the lighting effect and all this here. So let's continue on. Here we are. We see some skeleton pirates around, kind of off to the side in these. It looks like they've been dungeon here or something. Fairly grim and spooky. We're working our way down into this fort here. Again, I like the brick and the lighting. They do a great job here of really setting the mood, I think. Cannon. There's another cannon. You can't have pirates without a cannon. All right. So here we are again. That's a pirate. I guess it looks like he drank himself to death there. Again, similar scenes like we see in some of the other versions of Pirates of the Caribbean. And it looks like when we get down close to the boats here, then it kind of gives you this outside looking theme here with the palm trees and all that. Looks pretty cool. Okay, let's go. Let's get down there. Oh, there's a cannon. Thomas, you're still working on those cannons, right? We're working on getting some cannons we can put on the roof. There's a cool shot of these trees and stuff. It gives you a good feel to the, kind of a tropical Caribbean type of setting. You can hear the music playing as well. Looks like some damage from some cannonballs or something there. Okay, and we're on to the boats. You're ready to go. There goes my mail. Okay. If you've been following along, this is our second Disneyland Paris ride. We did the Phantom Manor last week. If you haven't been following along, why not? Go back and watch our videos. We're going through all different Disney parks and riding through some of these rides. Okay, here we are. We're coming out. And this looks like, is this a restaurant? Kind of like the Disneyland has the Blue Bayou there. I'm not sure. It kind of looks like it. It looks like this is coming up on a restaurant here. Very cool looking. You can hear the notes of the song starting to play there too, so they're really starting to build up the atmosphere. And look at this, looks like a wrecked boat. I see a pirate flag and like a ship. Looks like a part of a ship here, like kind of like you're inside the ship. That's cool. It's a broken down ship here, half sunk. And here we get that nighttime view here. Look at the clouds and the moon, and pirate flag, and again they get that cool lighting going, that blue. And I wonder if they're gonna have the pirate with the wheel here, or there's like a lot of caves and a lot of archways and stuff here that you're kind of going through and around to get started. Here we hear some music, and it's quite different than Pirates music that we're used to here. Kind of spookier type of music. We're going up a hill now, so that's interesting. So I assume there's going to be a drop at the end of this. Like organ music playing. Oh, cool! Look at the ropes going through there, through the pulleys and stuff. You hear the dead men. Oh, no tails. It's like the pulleys and the winches are actually running there. The Davy Jones prop from the movies. So they worked that in here. They had that at one point in Disney World, but then they took it out. I'm not sure why. Okay, so here we kind of come out. It looks like it's kind of like you come out into that boat scene, but it kind of works differently here. And you're right into kind of like this damaged fort and stuff. So it's kind of like you're on the other side of that scene. Like you're inside the fort here where the pirates are attacking. Everything's flooded here. Cats. Meow. Fire effect here. This is really cool. This is a very different look than we've seen before in the other pirates. I was like, oh, the pirate, he's coming over the wall here. That's cool. Hello. Yeah, so you're like in the fort that the pirates are attacking here. And here we have the pirates. Pirates trying to get the key out of the dog. Is there a dog? I don't see the dog actually. Oh, there's the dog. Oh, okay. Well, this is kind of different where they have this kind of like right at the beginning of the ride. Okay, and now, I don't know, it's dark, I can't see what's going on. Oh, we got on the hill. Oh, okay, now here we are by the ship. Alright, so now we've kind of looped around and now we're outside by the ship. Well, that's cool. Very well done. The lighting and all that, really good job here. Alright, so now we're kind of in where we normally see in the other pirates. Familiar kind of take here. Now we're outside with the mayor being dunked here. Don't be chicken! Do they have the Captain Sparrow here? I don't know. I guess they don't have the Captain Sparrow here in this one. Now we're at the auction scene. And this is very similar, again, to the other ones here. They're speaking French. But I think the point is made. Looks like the same kind of scene here where they're auctioning off some of the loot. Here's the guy with the key, the treasure vault. Sword fighting, oh, that's cool. It's pretty intricate animatronics here. I'm not quite sure what's going on here. Is that a pirate? I don't know. Is the girl a pirate? Okay, so here, this is kind of looks like a mixture here. Again, it's kind of like the town scene with the singing donkey and the band there. Yo ho, yo ho. Again, they've added a lot more detail here. A lot more intricate. Well, this is, I believe, the third Pirates ride created after Disneyland and Disney World. The flame effects look really cool here. Really extensive here with the flame, and lots going on, lots to see here, lots to take in. I don't believe there's a, so I think this is the third. I don't believe there's a Pirates in Tokyo Disney. If somebody knows of it, let me know. We'll have to see when we go to our tour of Tokyo Disneyland whether they have a pirate. So this is pretty cool. Again, this is similar. Okay, we go down the hill, and wow, there's a lot going on here. That's similar to what we see in Disneyland in California, where you're kind of underneath there with the timbers and stuff. Oh, that's cool. Look at the skull. Now you're kind of out in the cave. This is quite an extensive ride here. This is I don't know, like a Bluebeard or a pirate captain there. There's an incredible animatronic there. And now we go on to just kind of like what we would see at the beginning of like the Disneyland version with the skeletons kind of. No, oh, here's the Jack Sparrow. We do have the Jack Sparrow here in the treasure vault. It's quite the extensive treasure vault too. Look at the size of this. And then we're back here with the skeleton pirates. That's kind of an interesting twist on things where you got some skeleton pirates at the end. And it looks like that's the end of the ride. Okay, well, thanks for riding Disneyland Paris' version of Pirates of the Caribbean with us. Please like this video and subscribe so we can keep doing this. We're having a really blast making these videos. We want to keep doing it, so please, follow along with us, like and subscribe, set your notifications, and we'll see you next time.